Nothing turns your lawn into a showstopper like deep, dark, crisp stripes. You know, those kind that look like they're burned in the grass, makes the grass look like a masterpiece. So if you're aiming for the ballpark vibes or maybe HOA envy, I'm gonna just show you a few tips how to get those deep, dark stripes. So what does burn in mean? When you're burning in the stripes, it doesn't mean like you're damaging the lawn. It means like you're making those stripes pop. So you're bending the grass in different directions so the light reflects off the blades differently, and it creates this alternating dark and light stripes. The better your technique and lawn health, the more dramatic the effect. So step one, you want to kind of mow a little bit taller, like 2.5 to 4 inches, because the light contrasts better. The more the light hits the grass, the more the contrast, which means you want longer grass. Fescue and rye, they stripe beautifully, but I have mostly Kentucky blue, and you can see right here how it stripes. Make sure that your mower blade is sharpened because the clean cuts reflect the light more evenly, and if your blade is dull, the next day you'll have little brown tips on your grass, which won't give you the look that you want. Mow it in a straight line. You can do checkers, you can do whatever you want. 2, do a double pass. This is my second pass right here. So the first set, you lay the stripes. And then the second time you go over it, you're ironing the grass or you're burning in the stripes. The last thing you need is this. You need a stripe kit or a roller. It helps bend the grass. It puts weight on the grass as you walk, and it helps bend the grass even more. So you can do a DIY hack like drag a soft broom or sandbag or something like that. Or you can go like what I have here, which is the Big League roller. So there you have it. So burn in those stripes and make the neighbors envious.